Prevedi ovo na engleski. Jeste li rekli, Ploče are the most ugly city in Croatia? Let's work through those mistakes. Although in Croatian, Ploče is treated as a plural word because of its name. So Ploče su ovo, Ploče su ono. In English, it has to be singular because it's one place. Ploče is. Beautiful. Secondly, we use the most only with adjectives that have 3 or more syllables. For example, the most beautiful. Beautiful has 3 syllables. Now, if an adjective has only 1 or 2 syllables, for example, like hot, cold, ugly, then for the superlative, we would say the hottest, the coldest, the ugliest. And you can't always translate grad as city. In English, it depends on the size and the population. Ploče is way too small to be a city. It's a town, like a gradić. So the correct sentence is, Ploče isn't the ugliest town in Croatia.